If you want to make your Discord server look more fun, more organized, and a lot more eye-catching, one easy trick is adding emojis to your channel names. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add emoji to Discord channel names step by step, so you can customize your server in just a minute or two. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Discord tips and tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord and sign into your account. Once you're in, go to the server where you want to edit the channel name. This can be any server that you have permission to manage. After that, find the channel you want to customize. Now right-click the channel name. A menu will appear, and from that menu, click Edit Channel. This will open the settings for that specific channel. In the channel name field, place your cursor exactly where you want the emoji to appear. You can put the emoji at the beginning of the name, in the middle, or at the end, depending on the style you want for your server. Now, if you're on a Windows PC, press Windows key plus the period key, or Windows plus dot, to open the emoji picker. This brings up a small emoji panel that lets you choose from a wide range of emojis without needing to copy and paste anything else. Scroll through the options or use the search bar if you already know which emoji you want. Then click the emoji you want to add and it will be inserted right into the channel name field. You can repeat this if you want more than one emoji, but in most cases, one or two is enough to keep the channel name clean and readable. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Save Changes. Discord will update the channel name immediately, and your emoji will now appear in the server channel list. That's all there is to it. It's a super simple way to make your server feel more polished, more branded, and easier to navigate for your members. If this video helped you, please go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more quick Discord how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.